SEO Time Machines. Today I'd like to show you our data blur function, which is part of the privacy suite of tools in SEO Time Machines. So as with everything, you can choose to have this on or not. So in settings, you can choose data blur and you can turn it on right here. Now, once you select it, you have a few functions. So you can call it up using the quick launch toolbar by typing data or blur or just DB, the initials. When you press enter, you'll see that this little pop-up comes up here. So you can blur things by selecting them like this. We also have an auto select feature that you can just point and click. There is an option to delete obviously everything in one go, so you don't have to click one by one, but you can also select multiple things of the same class type. So if I call up data blur again, and this time we click here, you'll see there's a selector, works sort of a little bit like microthema does in WordPress. You'll notice that it recognizes 9 headings of the same type, and so when you go anywhere else, you'll notice that they are also automatically blurred out. So the blurred feature is one type of blurring. We also have masking, which works like this. So same thing, you can just click and mask something, or you can drag and mask it. There is a third feature, which is automatic title tab protection. So even though you can't see it, it does appear up here. So that will allow you to mask your tab title if for some reason you want to have that as part of your security features. We do also have another function which allows us to pre-blur or pre-mask certain things that we select. So let's just get rid of this for now. And I think I had quite a few layers on there. But let's just say, for example, that we want to mask this type of heading at all times wherever we go. If we learn the class name of it and grab it, so this is using our page structure tool, let's just grab the name like that. Now if we open up the settings function, so just type S for settings, look for the data blur section. And if I put the selector in here, what you'll notice is next time when I refresh, you'll notice that those selectors automatically get masked out. We do also have a feature so you don't have to click. Let's say you have lots of blur fields everywhere, so you don't have to click and delete everything one by one. You can just type remove all blurs and that'll take care of it for you. It won't take care of the auto masking feature because that has a higher priority than the blurs that we put on. But yeah, it will take care of anything on any page that you've put down. So let me just see where data blur was. Again, productivity. There is one more thing I want to show you, and that is, let me just collapse all these. If you go down here, you'll notice that we also have an automatic auto mask feature, auto mask email feature. That is if you're doing demonstrations and your email is constantly in view, you can just click that on and it'll mask all emails automatically. There's also an auto mask sensitive information feature. This will allow you to hide API keys, credit cards, SSNs, tokens, private keys, that sort of thing. It's a little bit more specific to those patterns, those text patterns, but the auto blur CSS selectors give you unlimited range to where you can blur anything that might be of a sensitive nature at all times. Using this just does emails. This is a little bit more expanded, does API keys, credit card numbers, etc. And with the auto blur feature, you can mask anything, anytime. So that is the data blur feature from SEO Time Machines. And please check out our other productivity and security tools.